Hang that bag on a branch right away. This method is pure gold for any garden. I couldn't believe it when I first tried it. It works amazingly well. The first thing you need is a resealable plastic bag, preferably a larger one. Now it's time to make the mixture. In a glass container, measure out about half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar has a strong scent that works perfectly here. Add a bit of cold water to dilute it slightly. Next, add about 10 drops of lavender essential oil. It makes a huge difference. Then add 2 sticks of cinnamon bark. It has natural antiseptic properties that enhance the effect. Now take some aluminum foil, tear off a few pieces, and fold them into small squares. This step is more important than it seems. Seal the bag tightly, then use a toothpick to poke a few small holes at the top. This allows the scent to slowly escape. Use clips to hang the bag from a tree or bush, anywhere you often see insects. This mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs naturally and effectively. It's a cheap and chemical-free way to keep unwanted pests away. Mosquitoes hate this smell. They'll stay far away from you. Store-bought sprays are expensive and full of chemicals that irritate your skin. Let me show you a cheap, homemade, all-natural alternative. Pour 1 1/4 cups of warm water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Its strong, fresh scent effectively repels mosquitoes, which absolutely can't stand it. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. While the aroma is calming for us, it has the opposite effect on mosquitoes. Lavender also soothes the skin and brings relief. Now pour in half a cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon contains natural oils and acids that mosquitoes can sense from far away. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense, spicy scent is something mosquitoes can't tolerate. It also acts as a preservative for the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can blend. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin before going outside and forget about the itchy bites. Natural, effective, and chemical-free. Light up a mixture like this. The results will surprise you. Everyday products you use can turn into something completely different. Start by taking a small bowl. You'll also need aluminum foil. Tear off a fairly large piece and wrap the entire bowl in foil, inside and out. Then pour in about 3 heaping tablespoons of coffee, preferably ground, and mix it. Now take some rosemary sprigs and cut them into smaller pieces. Do this directly into the bowl. Cover the rosemary again with coffee, just enough to partially bury it. Now grab a lighter and gently light the rosemary. Let the smoke rise from the burning rosemary, and the coffee should start to smolder slightly. The light smoke that appears is an incredibly effective repellent for mosquitoes and other insects. It acts as a natural deterrent. Wherever you place a bowl like this, you can be 100% sure that no mosquito will come near. He pours coffee into plastic bottle caps. The result is genius. First, gather a few plastic bottle caps. They can be different types. Also, prepare some ground coffee. Pour a bit of coffee into each cap. Then grab a roll of toilet paper. Tear off a piece of paper. Roll it up tightly. And cut it into smaller pieces with scissors. Place 1 piece in the center of each cap filled with coffee. Now take a lighter or igniter and light the paper pieces you placed in the caps. The coffee will start to smolder and release smoke. This is a simple homemade method. It's not only effective but also safe for your health. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. It effectively repels mosquitoes and other insects. Instead of buying expensive products, you can make your own repellent in just a few minutes. Always keep an eye on the burning paper and coffee. If needed, you can easily extinguish the fire with water. It's a brilliant solution for summer evenings. Be sure to try this trick and enjoy a peaceful time without annoying bugs. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. Sprinkle cinnamon on a paper towel. You should definitely try this. The benefits will be unlike anything you've experienced before. Here's how it works. Tear off a piece of paper towel and sprinkle a tablespoon of cinnamon on it. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial properties, repels pests, and gives off a pleasant, warm scent. The next ingredient is a bay leaf. Just one is enough. Bay leaves have antifungal properties, improve air quality, and effectively repel pests. Crush the leaf onto the paper. This natural method was taught to me by my aunt from the countryside. Roll the paper up, just like in the video. This form is perfect for further use. Now add a little bit of toothpaste. The toothpaste has a refreshing effect, and its scent also repels pests. Place the rolled up paper in a jar or another container, light the end of it, and after a moment, extinguish the flame. Place the container near a window, door, or next to plants that are vulnerable to pests. The smoke from the mixture repels mosquitoes, flies, and other unwanted insects, while leaving a lovely, fresh scent in the house. This is a completely natural, safe, and highly effective method. You'll never see flies and mosquitoes in your house again. If you're interested in ways to repel mosquitoes, I'll show you a simple method. You'll learn how to make your own mosquito spray. It doesn't contain any chemicals, but it has everything flies and mosquitoes hate. Just spray it on door and window frames, and no insect will come near them. Prepare a container. Pour in a cup of water. Add a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon has properties that repel these insects. It also works very effectively on ants and gnats. Mix everything well. Cinnamon repels unwanted insects with its smell. Pour the mixture into a spray bottle using a funnel. To prevent the sprayer from clogging, strain the mixture through cheesecloth or a coffee filter. This is one of the easiest and most effective sprays for mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies hate this scent. Just spray the frame of your front and balcony doors. Also, spray the window frames. Additionally, you can spray it on your plants. It won't harm them. On the contrary, cinnamon has many benefits for plants. It protects them from diseases, stimulates their growth, and regulates soil pH. If you spray your trash can, no flies will hover over the waste. This one spice will provide you with the best and most original spray to repel flies and mosquitoes.